perfect trade doesn't exist, bro, other than this Tesla. Oh my god. All right, y'all. The market just opened. Now we're gonna sit back. We're gonna watch, we're gonna wait for the best setup, and then we go from there. If it goes within this next 1 minute, it'll be nice. Otherwise, I will have to walk away from Tesla up until the 5-minute chart looks a little bit more prettier. Back at Tesla, I'm gonna do a quick analysis because SPY QQQs are pumping. The 2-minute chart doesn't look bad. The 5-minute chart looks terrible. But we might get into a wick fill if we started pushing towards the upside. That means the entry gets triggered above 409.75. 409.75 means on a 5-minute chart, we would be literally in the middle of getting that wick filled. We can give it a try because the 2-minute chart looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that SPY stupid thing. My fill price is 3.1. Such a crappy fill price. ORB hasn't formed yet, so that means the next candle will also form the ORB as well. 2 minutes will gonna form the ORB. ORB highs would be, so far looks like 411 unless it pushes. SPY needs to bounce for this Tesla to freaking fly. Tesla contracts are holding value nice. Okay, SPY, if it gets above 200 moving average on a 5-minute chart, that'll be nice. Tesla still 410 is going to be the area that I want to watch. If it gets above 410, yeah, if this time it gets above 410, I think it should push up to high of the day. The ORB level is in. Yeah, SPY looks like I want to bounce. SPY bounce would only be a bounce if it gets above 478.15, which is 200 moving average on a 5-minute. Not far, about 40 cents away from that level. We have the 5-minute chart still looking terrible on this Tesla at the top. These contracts down 20%. SPY is moving down. It's still holding. The relatively it's stronger. There's a divergence happening on SPY QQQs. One of them above the open price, other one below the open price. So one of them has to catch up with the other one. Tesla still holding decent, especially those 408.6, which is the hourly level. It's holding decent. And then you have above yesterday's high. Then you have the Fibonacci level there. So it really depends if SPY and QQQs decided to catch up on one direction, which is SPY catches up with QQQs, gets above the open price. Alright, the SPY is melting. Tesla still holding, even though SPY melting. No, hasn't hit yet, hasn't hit the stop loss yet. Tesla bouncing off so far. 5-minute candle about to close. Right now, the price is bouncing off the open price on this QQQs, kind of looking alright.